Hello everyone and welcome to our 2023 Winter Ball Assembly. Now before we get started, please rise and remove your hats for the performance of our national anthem by our SHHS Wind Ensemble.
Wow, you guys slayed. You guys ate and left no crumbs.
Now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Let's meet our 2023 Winter Ball Court. Drum roll, please. I said a drum roll. Leadership, show them how it's done.
Princess Pearl Daphne Hilton. Escorted by Crevin Keefe, Pearl is a color guard captain, clarinetist in the wind ensemble, and an avid AP chemistry student. After she graduates, she plans to attend university and major in biochemistry and pre-medicine to eventually pursue a career in the medical field. She would like to thank Sadie McGuire, her color guard co-captain, Eleni Myers, her favorite lunch buddy, Crevin Keefe, her partner in crime, and Ford and Burkett for their unwavering academic support. And she would like to give a very special thank you to everyone that voted for her. Keep being awesome. Princess Pearl Daphne Hilton. Prince D'Angelo James Mitchell. Escorted by Sadie McGuire, D'Angelo likes to play video games for hours. He enjoys spending time with his friends and just goofing around. He would like to thank Hannah, Kayla, Elena, Deb, and Allie for being a wonderful group of people, and he would also like to thank Logan for making work so much fun. Prince D'Angelo James Mitchell. Princess Faith Nicole Elder. Escorted by Avery Kennedy, Faith loves reading and listening to music constantly, along with dancing in her room to Taylor Swift religiously. She has been a varsity cheerleader all throughout high school, including 2 years in SHHS choir and 9 years of playing local league softball. Her plans consist of attending OSU to major in marketing and public relations that eventually go into fashion marketing and design apparel. Faith would love to thank her dad and Darcy for doing all that they do, and her mom, who she misses so dearly and whom she wishes was here with her today. She would also like to thank all of her amazing, beautiful friends, especially Heaven Harwood, for always being there no matter what through thick and thin. She says, "Thank you, girlie, forever and always." And last but not least, she would like to thank the class of 2023 for making these last couple years ones to remember, and to all the memories she hopes to make with us before the end of the year is over. This is all so exciting, and she is so grateful to be with such an amazing group of people into these next steps of our lives. Thank you. Princess Faith Nicole Elder. Prince Cameron James Waite. Escorted by Martine, sports have been everything to Cameron. It's where he's made some of his best memories and friends. He'd like to thank all of his friends that were there with him during those peak moments, whether you were on the field or in the stands. He's also grateful for his parents, Nicole and Spencer, who pushed him into keeping up on his academics and taught him how to work for something he wants. Lastly, Cameron would like to thank all the lovely teachers throughout his high school career that allowed him to turn in assignments past their due dates. You, I'm most grateful for, he says. But not just them, all of his teachers and coaches throughout the years have impacted him a lot, and he is so grateful for all of you as well. Go Lions! Prince Cameron James Waite. Princess Vanessa Harmony Wallace. Escorted by Jada and Jasmine Stewart, Vanessa is involved in many school activities and programs, including the band and choir program, environmental club, and golf. Vanessa is proud to be leaders in almost every program, including being drum major for band, president for environmental club, and alto section leader for choir. She is going to attend the University of Arizona to pursue a career in environmental science. Vanessa says, "I would like to thank Mrs. Freshner for teaching me what time management, work ethic, initiative, and true leadership looks like. You have always been a fantastic role model and mentor that I will continue to look up to after I graduate. Thank you to Jada and Jasmine for sticking with me all throughout middle and high school. We have grown together and I will always see you two as family. Lastly, I would like to thank my family and loved ones for constantly supporting me with everything I wanted to pursue and lending an ear to vent to and the mutual love and care shared between us. I love you all with my whole heart and I will be forever grateful." Princess Vanessa Harmony Wallace. Princess Heaven Aurora Harwood. Escorted by Hannah Jensen, Heaven never thought she would be in this position, standing here in front of you all, especially alongside her best friends. She says, "Hannah, you have the kindest soul. Your positivity and warmth is something I look forward to every day. You never fail to make me laugh. Faith, it's a privilege and honor to be on court with you, to share this experience with you regardless of who wins. We may argue and hit each other occasionally, but at the end of the day, I know you wouldn't stick your finger in my Dutch. You are the most incredible person I've ever had the privilege of knowing. Thanks for sticking around. I know I can lean on either of you when things get hard. I love you both so much. Without you, I'd be half the person I am today." Princess Heaven Aurora Harwood. Prince Caven Travis Freshner. Escorted by Kira Augustus, Caven has been involved in the band program for 7 years and on the soccer team for 2. He plans on attending the University of Oregon, majoring in music education and trumpet performance. He'd like to thank his girlfriend Kira for being so kind and supportive to him, and he'd like to thank all of his friends for making every moment of high school memorable. Prince Caven Travis Freshner. Prince Andrew Reese Worlitz. Escorted by Lucy Polvogt, Andrew is a 2-sport athlete playing soccer during the fall and running track during the spring. When he's not participating in a sport, he can usually be found in the Lewitt room either playing his trumpet with the band or scheming with the rest of leadership. Andrew would like to thank his girlfriend Lucy for always supporting him, being his best friend, and pushing him to better himself daily. Prince Andrew Reese Worlitz.
Now, let's give a round of applause for our 2023 Winter Ball Court. Now we're going to play a court game, a game you all know and love as Hungry Hungry Hippos, but with the court as the hippos.
In the game Hungry Hungry Hippos, all of the court members will be pushed by their escorts and they'll be laying down on scooters on their stomachs, and they'll have a hula hoop in their hands. With the hula hoop, they will try to gather as much food as possible within the minute timer. We will have 3 rounds within this game. The first 2 rounds are going to just be regular entry-level rounds, and then the last round is going to be the finalist round to see who the ultimate Hungry Hippo is. Set, go! Wow, congratulations, Pearl and Crevin. You guys ate that up. Quite literally.
Now we have our court game, which is called the Dizzy Tricycle Relay Race. Our captains will be split into the following 4 teams: color guard and cheer, wrestling, boys basketball, and girls basketball and swim. Each member from each team will spin around a bat 10 times and then weave on a tricycle through the obstacle course and sit down on the other side. Once all members are seated, that team will be crowned Dizzy Tricycle Champions.
From color guard and cheer, we have Sadie, Pearl, Faith, and Keely. From wrestling, we have Evan, Josh, Cambria, and Therese. From boys basketball, we have Tyler, Cameron, Mitch, and Noah. And from girls basketball and the swim team, we have McKenna, Akaya, Mark, and Sydney.
To our Dizzy Tricycle champions, the wrestling team. You guys really pummeled that one. Now we're going to talk to our team captains about how their seasons are going so far.
Madam Referee, take your mark. Go! Okay, I'm Sammy.
And I'm Sydney.
And we are the captains of the SHHS Lions swim team. So far this year, we've had a few meets. We've gotten second place in a lot of them. It's been really good. We were this close to beating Scampoos. We did not. But we're hopeful for tonight, which is senior night. And you guys will be watching this in a week, so we'll let you know how it goes then. Districts are February 10th and 11th out at Newport. We're very excited. And then our championship meets for the Guapa League are, I think, a week earlier.
Aren't they Friday the 3rd in Astoria?
Yes, they are.
Yeah.
We're not cutting this. So yeah, that's how swimming's going, and we hope you enjoy. Okay.
This is everything you need to know about WINTERGUARD 2023.
Our show is called Unsustainable, and our first performance is next weekend.
Our season started in November.
And it ends in April.
Make sure to support your local WINTERGUARD or else.
Hey Lions! The cheer team has been having a successful season this year.
And even the Lions think so too!
I'm Mitchell Big Fella Barroso.
And I'm Cameron Cox.
I'm Tyler Tolles.
Come watch us this Friday night.
Against Scappoose at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
And February 14th, senior night. Come show out.
Hi, I'm McKenna Hardin.
Hi, I'm Pressure.
Hi, I'm Maisie McDowell. We're St. Helens basketball girls team captains.
We're currently 2-2 and third in our league.
Make sure to come to our senior night, February 14th. Thank you, captains. It was great to hear about your progress so far this season, and Lions, make sure to go support them at the rest of their events. Well, you heard it. Winter Ball will be tomorrow, January 28th from 7 to 10 p.m. at Columbia City Elementary School. It'll be a formal masquerade ball, so be sure to show up in your best attire and mask. We hope to see you there, and that's all for our Winter Ball Assembly. Have a great rest of your day, Lions.
See you after the day.